Going bros, my name is Yash and the bro army is ready to play SuperCard once again. So let's get Hiccups army. Let's get right into the game as we do always. And since it's the 11th day login bonus, we will get ourselves some Bailey. Sorry about my hiccups. There you have it. And guess where? What? Delete. So you guess where I made it in King of the Ring? Well, it's obvious that I didn't even qualify. I wonder what the talk was there. Why, you full refill? No, I didn't. I clearly didn't. Why would I? I just knew that I can't make it anymore. See, 15 games. I forgot to energize after school, and then after 6 games, I was like, it's not possible. So yeah, leave it. I am not going to make it anyway. And whatever, we will get ourselves another epic. So make your guesses. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to close my eyes again. So is it a diva or something? Let me guess. You can see it on the screen, and my eyes are closed. Bray Wyatt. Oh, Mark Henry, nice. World's strongest man going to world's strongest card. Oh shit. Is he a pro? Because I'm going to make one silver pro out of him if he is one. Combine it. No. No. Well, I'm going to feed him. I'm gonna use him to feed someone who sent me a video. We'll check that later on. I'm sorry about your privacy. We are going to feed him to Fan. Dang, go. So you're going down, big guy. Okay, we already have a pro of Mark Henry, see. So let's see if he can give us 10. What? Mark Henry is too damn. He's too damn weak that he can't even refill this guy. Seriously. That face suits him right there. Only that much. Anyways, it's going to power. So 101, 100. Nice. God. Only 10% means 3,600, which is not possible for me. But it sure is possible for someone like Santa, JB or someone. And I bet he will do a pack opening in his streams, I guess. I'm not sure though. And thanks for 3 subscribers, 1 Biggie Doo and 2 other guys who I don't even know. Because I can't see their name. And we will be getting a survivor for ourselves. I want AJ Styles, but my team is in Survivor Plus, which makes me pretty sad. Oh, we got 2 new members in our team. Let's see and explore their deck. Team. View team deck. Hiccup Mania running wild. Okay. Same. Oh shit, no. I'm not gonna leave the team at any cost. Same here. Okay, excellent. They have pros too, so that's a good thing. Okay, Road Champ is good. Okay, so it makes sense. David is his deck is mind blowing. He even got 1 Diva Pro, and I don't even have one. If I had, I would have been far better. But Doesn't matter anyway, right? And our owner has 3 pros too. Uh, and he got Bishop from pack openings, I guess, because he got Mike, he got that card from that packs only, his first pro. Oh yeah, then my new Survivor Pro Edge. No, don't. We got to go higher to get the WrestleMania card. I don't know. Hey guys, why did you leave? Why did he leave? Silly, why did he leave? Hey guys, so fucked. I was already 7 points over from that. You lower the tick to play for Legendary? No, don't. We will, of course. If we can. I have 138 points to go. Okay. Come on. And just in case you don't know what type of text is that's cool gel. Best of luck, lads. Best of luck, lads. Keep on the good work. 10 out of 10. Okay, nice. Legendary pack now. I need one more Survivor Pro as soon as possible, but I don't even qualify in Survivor King of the Ring. So let's set some King of the Ring stuff for the next King of the Ring. Bailey is stronger, so she will go for the Diva. Diva is... I need good Divas, Oh. Let's have Brie instead. Sean will be in solo along with Kane. And let's have Cesaro in a team. Let's have him. Team, because I don't think the third one is used a lot in this game. Shawn Michaels and Edge. Let's have Kane here, okay? I wanna check who's better. Kane versus... Oh, Kane is better. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, Edge and Edge, no. Okay, now this makes sense. So we're gonna replace him with Bobby Heenan. So now this makes sense. So I'm gonna click begin of the ring, and our target will be at last to reach in semi-finals, so we can get ourselves a Survivor card. Because I desperately need one, and my Hiccups needs to stop as soon as possible because it's annoying. So we are gonna play 5 quick exhibition matches, and then the video is done. And hopefully the memory thing won't crash. And if it crashes in between, don't mind if I just leave it and then upload the video. Don't mind, okay? And if you don't like my video, my voice, you can leave, because I can't do anything unless I get myself a microphone, because I'm recording it through my mobile. I have no microphone or something right now, and now, then rough. Okay. Hopefully we will get one Survivor as soon as possible. I want to reach WrestleMania so bad. And I can't even get one WrestleMania card. They should do the Flash events again. Who agrees with me? Flash events were awesome. They should do one for the payback. They should do like in the main events, like WrestleMania, SummerSlam, Royal Rumble, Survivor Series, for the biggest main events. And it should feature the biggest stars like uh, Survivor Series, The Undertaker, WrestleMania, uh, WrestleMania, Shawn Michaels, Royal Rumble, Austin, and what you can have for the series done, Royal Rumble done, WrestleMania, SummerSlam, Triple H. Yeah, Triple H. Who else is there for SummerSlam? Maybe Bret Hart. Shawn Michaels is already used, and Hogan doesn't exist anymore. So yeah, it's pretty obvious for the game Triple H. Oh no, he will be all you down unless you are Vince favorite or some NXT guy. Yeah. And what do you think will win, AJ Styles or Roman Reigns? My prediction is that AJ Styles, Roman Reigns is going to win. AJ Styles nods, lights go off, lights comes back, ref is down, ring is surrounded by Finn Balor, Luke Gallows, and Doc Gallows and what is it? Machine Gun Anderson, okay? I don't remember it. What was that? Whatever, I will call him Anderson, okay? Anderson. Machine Gun will surround the ring, and then Roman Reigns will get a huge beatdown, and then after they perform their finishers, AJ Styles connect with Styles Clash, Finn Balor, and the Bullet Club's main guys that are those two, Doc and MGK. They will grab the ref. Ref has 1, 2, 3. AJ Styles the new champion. Future Roman Reigns. Bye bye. That's the best you can have for payback. And yeah, have Zack Ryder win that title back and then have him defend it. Let movies be in that women's revolution thing. And have Sasha win it at SummerSlam. Till that, have Sasha feud with Summer Way. Yeah, she was behind the boss, and if WWE uses it right, it can be great if you think about it. Anyways, what's the time? Oh shit, 4:30 minutes. Snap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And okay, that was the last match because I have to go again. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and please support the Hiccups army. Stay awesome.